Previous lecture we talked about live data, which is one of the data stream to observe the your data, right? And now we're gonna talk about additional data streams. One of the data stream that has been really popular recently is the uses of coroutines and flows. Okay, so mainly of their approach to asynchronous operation in Android. So I'm gonna show you the how to one of the example of using flows emitting data in the view model. We're gonna use, instead of mutable live data, this is our one of the it's a live data approach. Okay, so actually we have two approaches for okay, let me just comment it below. We have data stream mechanisms. Okay, one is a live data approach, second one is a like coroutine and flow approach. Okay, so we're gonna use that, so live data approach, and here we have a additional is like coroutine flow approach, right? Routine and flows approach. So I'm gonna create another private val called state total flow. So mutable flow, state flow. So here you have a mutable, so which is initialized to 0. Then your total flow will be assigned with state flow of type your int, and you assign the total flow, right? This is the value. So now what we have to do is when you increase the increase total, like let me write another increase total using flow. So here what we're gonna do is your total flow will be value will be assigned to the total flow dot value plus 1. Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. Just see the difference. Okay, you don't use any post okay, so now how in our back to our split fragment one, what we're gonna do is obviously we're gonna use it, we're gonna observe it. We will be actually what is doing here is they are actually pretty much emitting the value, and what we are gonna do here is we're gonna collect the value. Okay, so this is the mechanism. So emitting the value is pretty much like you are setting the value here, and you are collecting the values, that is observing the value. So we will be observing our values here. So let me use the total the view model is similar, but we just need to change our observers. So view lifecycle owner, lifecycle scope, and then you have to launch. Okay, so this is our collecting the flow emitted. Okay, flow which is emitted, right? So and so repeat on lifecycle state created, and then similarly what we do, totals view model total flow, just collect the value, and you update your text with the value, right? So yeah, this is the mechanism how to you collect the flow, and this is one of the additional data stream which is very popular, that which is from Coroutine, right? And so actually what it is doing is here every time it will the code will subscribe to state flows. like every time view lifecycle owner returns enters in the created stage. So when your view lifecycle owner enters in the created state, then your state flow will be subscribed. And then you will be using the you will be collecting your flow and updating your view, right? So this is the mechanism, guys, and hope you it's everything is clear, and catch you up in the next lecture, guys. Thank you.